Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Physics 1. Begin by building a strong conceptual understanding of each topic. Don't just memorize formulas, truly grasp the underlying principles. Ensure your math skills, especially algebra and trigonometry, are sharp, as they are crucial for problem solving. Regularly review the AP Physics 1 course framework to align your studies with exam expectations. Engage actively in class and clarify any doubts immediately. Consistent practice is key to success in AP Physics 1. Work through numerous problems, ranging from simple to complex, to solidify your understanding. Pay special attention to free response questions, as they require detailed explanations and analytical thinking. Utilize official College Board practice exams and questions to get a feel for the actual test format and difficulty. Always review your incorrect answers thoroughly to identify conceptual gaps and improve your approach. As the exam approaches, implement effective review strategies. Condense your notes into brief summaries for quick recall of key concepts and formulas. Collaborating in study groups can provide new perspectives and help clarify difficult areas. Practice under timed conditions, using full-length exams to build stamina and manage your time effectively. Focus your review efforts on topics where you consistently make errors or feel less confident. Remember to prioritize your well-being throughout your studies. Maintaining a healthy balance between studying and other activities is crucial to prevent burnout. Ensure you get sufficient rest, aiming for around 8 hours of sleep, especially in the days leading up to the exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, trust in your hard work and approach the AP Physics 1 exam with a calm and confident mindset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.